Week 3, lesson 3, start a nourishing creative ritual. This is where it gets real. This is where, after you have brainstormed different things that feel nourishing to your mind or your body or both, you have shortlisted and picked one thing that you can go to again and again and improvise and experiment and make it versatile and kind of put spins on it and just make it your own. Here's where you start doing that. Week 3, assignment 3 is to start nourishing your mind or your body or both with your go-to creative rituals. Start following the plan you created in the previous assignment. Commit to a regular creative practice that nourishes your mind and body as a byproduct. And here's my pro tip here. Make it sustainable to make it last. So choose something that you can just pull out a sheet of paper, just grab your marker and start doing that. Or step into the kitchen, open the fridge, see what's inside, pull it out, put your chopping board and make a piece of art, take a picture of it, put it on Instagram, like get creative with it, get aesthetic with it, just put your spin on it, say something through that, then eat it. Doesn't need to be complicated, doesn't need to be special. It doesn't even need to look good at all. What is important here is to practice something that feels good as you're doing that. If as a byproduct something nice comes out of it, that's great, but that's not the goal initially. Because if that's the goal, you're going to be stressed out. You're going to have expectation, and that by definition ruins the process. The process needs to be open-ended. It needs to allow you to move. It needs to allow you to experiment, to evolve within that context, to branch out. Because for me, food was my first accidental creative language. But then when I realized I can be intentional about my creativity, I started drawing on every canvas I could think of, and I created even my own Arto deck, which you have already used. So who knows what can happen? You can't understand what's waiting for you over there unless you spend the time to actually do it. So make it fun, make it easy, and let's do this.